Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. We are live after 5 a.m. and it is Friday, 7:24 a.m. Alexis just gave me the eye. And today I'm going to teach you about a concept called RADing. Okay, now I'm going to preface this lesson with this right now. Some people love it, some people hate it. But I'm going to teach it to you anyway. If you love it, use it, do it. It's great. If you hate it, don't do it. Start from scratch. I don't care. Are you with me? It's just you know, your personality type and with what you like, what you don't like. Okay. All right. So today we are creating a new program. Is that correct? What's the name of our program? Zvaders. Okay. By the way, was that fun yesterday? Designing and creating and getting crazy, you know, and coming up with all these weird thoughts, right? Great thoughts, different thoughts, unique thoughts. We had 4 different teams going on, 4 different ideas. We put them all together. We make something crazy, right? That's how great things come about. Okay. Remember the videos they did? They're doing fire spriters, something similar to you, but they want their guy moving left and right and jumping over blocks, and then they want the sprites up top to randomly move around, and then they had kind of the same idea to drag and shoot towards the direction, which I think is similar to you. Okay, so pretty cool stuff. Theirs is on the bottom. You guys are up top. Do you guys see yours up top? Okay, so your Zvaders up top. They're doing fire spriters. So today we're gonna work on a concept called RAD. All right. Let me explain RAD. RAD is called Rapid Application Development. Do we already have a program built with over 350 blocks of code? The answer is yes. Watch this. Go to my projects. What were you guys called? You guys were Sound Decision Mario 1_1_5, right? This is Mario. How many blocks of code do we have in here? Right click. We have 365 blocks of code in here. Are you with me? Everything is done. Everything is written. It's working. How many people will show of hands agree it is working? Okay, watch this. You ready? Projects. Save project as. Are you with me? You ready for this? What are we going to save it as? Zvaders 1_1_7 period 1 quarter 1, and I'll call this RAD version 1. You with me? And then down here, let's get this out of my way. Why is that here? I'm going to hit enter. Hello. What is going on with my screen? There it is. Okay, let's hit OK. It's going to take this entire program that I just built, right, and duplicate it. Okay, if this works right. Okay, now it's called Zvaders. How many blocks of code do I have in here? 365. Are you with me? Okay, well then you need to finish the program. Okay, you need to go home at night and you need to watch my videos. Are you with me? You got to get caught up, because we're going to keep going on. Okay, I can't wait for every single. I wish I could. I really wish I could, but I can't. I got people that are ready to rock and roll. All right, and you're kind of at a slightly disadvantage because you have how many people had my class last year? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You've got 7 people around you that have coded last year, so they got slightly. I shouldn't say slight. They got a pretty big advantage on you. Are you with me on that? So, fortunately or unfortunately, because of scheduling, I have new students mixed in with former students, and that's just the nature of the beast. Videos. All I can say are videos. Videos, videos, videos. Okay, watch videos at home. Get caught up. Get ahead. Go ahead of us. Are you with me? All right, so this is going to help you with RAD. By the way, do you want this program? Do you want me to Do you want me to download the old program for you so you have it? All right. I'm gonna put this on video to show you guys how easy this is. All right. So if I want to share my app with somebody else, right? This is how easy it is. You ready? Watch this. Um, okay. I don't want to give her Zvaders. Okay. I'm gonna go and give her Sound Decision Mario. All right. So I go to Sound Decision Mario. You with me? I go to Projects. Watch this. Export to my computer. It's going to go down here. Watch down here. There it is. See it? It's going to download to my device. I say Show in Folder. Where is it? There it is. Right click. Copy it. Go over here to Browser. Right click. Paste it. There it is. You're done. You can come on up now, and you can go to put this in the back of your computer, and you're going to go to import, and Braden will help you with that. Yep. And how many blocks of code did I just give her? 365 blocks of code. Okay? And as long as you don't have a name, a project, named exactly like my project, are you with me? So my project was called Sound Decision Mario 1_1_5. As long as she doesn't have Sound Decision Mario 1_1_5 in her projects, it'll just import right on in. And then you'll have two of them. You'll have the one she was working on and the one you have now. All right, so that's why you always want to have unique names. That's why we like numbers in there. Okay, so here we go. I'm going to go back to my projects. I'm going to go to Zvaders. Does this look like Zvaders? No. Now what's our job? Okay, make it look like Zvaders. So right here, I just start to convert this a little bit. Okay, I'm going to go to rename, and this is going to look at that. I can even use the HI that's already there. I'm going to call this hits. Down here, I'm going to go to high score, and I'm going to call it hits : 0. HITS : 0. By the way, will everyone learn to put in spaces? Put it in. It will go into the USB. You got to figure it out. I have students do it all the time. There's plenty of USBs back there. Okay. All right, what's in the middle? Do we have time? Do we have time on this one? No time on this one? All right, so we need to delete that. If we don't have time, delete it. What's coins going to be? Lives. So I go to rename this. LBL lives. And down here, I'm going to say this is lives. LIVES. : space. Whoever and get in the habit of saying : space 0. What are you doing now? Could we build this from scratch? Yeah. Okay. What's the difference from building it from scratch? It's, yeah, you just, why when we already have stuff already built? You with me? This just, I mean, look how many lines of code I have over here, right? I got tons of lines of code. Okay, I really don't like the fact that these are sitting next to each other. Are you with me? So I'm going to probably put in another layout in here. How do I get that into the layout? Let's go to HA scoreboard, and the background color is blue. Okay, I want to get that into there. There it is. I got it. All right, so now I'm going to go with fill parent. Okay, I can go to HA scoreboard, background color, is yellow. I'm going to take lives, put it in here. That lives is going to go in there. Watch this. Now I can go to this horizontal arrangement here and align it on the right. Okay, so now I got hits on the left, lives on the right. Okay, so I'm just going to rename this guy. Yeah. Yes. Do we still need a speed slider? I don't know. I haven't thought about that yet. Where's the speed slider at? Yeah, why not have a speed slider? Speed slider could change the pace of how fast the enemy moves. Are you with me? So why not? At the end, if we don't like it, we can always hit invisible equals false and just make it invisible, and then it's no longer there. Are you with me? So that's the cool thing about this, is that, like, right here, do you see how it has visible right here? You can just simply say, okay, I don't want that anymore. It's gone. See what I'm doing? Right? So really, you don't have to delete things. You just make them invisible. Okay? All right, so I'm going to rename this platform because it's not called Mario anymore. I'm going to rename it as CNV. What did we call it yesterday? Playfield? Okay. Playfield. Okay. I am going to... are we in space? Did we ever decide that? Are we in space? Is this space? We didn't really talk about the backgrounds, did we? We need to figure out a setting, right? We didn't really discuss that. We gotta get the feel of the game. Maybe when we create our characters, we'll get a feel of the game. All right. Right now, I'm gonna go in and delete my Okay, so this stuff here. This is why some stuff. This is why RAD. Sometimes people don't like it. Are you with me? I need to get rid of all these Marios. Okay. I'm trying to think what my background color. What was my background? Background.png. We can go to none. Okay. So Sprite coin. What is going to be bouncing around our screen? Did we ever decide that? What was the character? Did we ever decide on that? Okay. Right now, I'm just going to let it be a coin because I don't know what our character is. On Monday, when I'm not here, you guys got to gimp some characters. Are you with me? I want you to start gimping your own characters. That'd be a good task for you on Monday when I'm not here. How many people know how to gimp? Okay. I thought we were going to put in my Zamburger. Okay. So let's go get the Zamburger. Okay. I need to upload, choose a file. Okay, 2017, period 1. There's my Zamburger. Okay, Zamburger 1. Nice. The Zamburger is going to be about 36 pixels. What are they doing over there? My God. Okay. Okay, I need another Zamburger. So this, we're going to rename this guy, not image sprite coin. This is going to be Zamburger. Zamburger 1. Okay, I'm going to go down to drawing and animation. I'm going to go get another sprite, put it on here, rename, image sprite, IMGSPR Zamburger 2. Okay, let's go to the picture, upload, choose a file. Let's go to Zamberger number 2, hit OK. And there it is, okay, on my screen. And is Mario shooting the Zambergers? No. Mario's not shooting the Zambergers, okay? How big was my Zamberger? Zamberger was 36 by... I am adjusting the playfield. I don't want to do that. I want to be Phil Parent. Okay. I want to go click on Zamberger number 2. Make him 36 by 36. Actually, I don't think 36 is big enough. Yes. Okay, what do you want me to do about it? Restart the machine? I don't know what to tell you. Okay, I kind of like 48 by 48. By the way, people tell me all the time, Mr. Richter, my sprite's off the screen. Okay, no, it's not. Your sprite has XY coordinates. You can go ahead and set their XY coordinates. Remember, the screen is 300 by 400. So this is less than 300 by 400. So if you take this to 150, okay, you should get it back on the screen. I'm going to make it 150 by 100. Okay, 100, hit enter. Put that on the screen somewhere. All right. Zamberger 2. Where'd it go, Mr. Richter? Well, it's off the screen. Okay. So make it 150. 100. There is XY coordinates to them. Okay. Now these guys, you don't want them to be at the same place. So let's move one to the left. I'm going to make this guy at 100, 100. All right. I got 2 guys on my screen. Okay, who's going to shoot down here? How do we shoot? What? Yeah, we had a guy that was going to fire things, right? Yeah. This is a Sprite, right? We have a Sprite down here, some kind of a... Is it a, well, I mean, we never did talk about it. This is something you need to make on Monday. What is shooting here? Did anyone have any concepts of what was shooting? Yeah. French fries are shooting? All right, so we want to go get like a box of French fries, and it's going to shoot French fries at the burgers? That's kind of cool. I get it, you know. Okay, so I'm going to look up French fries, which, by the way, you probably want to make these. French fries. Okay, I'm going to go to images right now. Yeah, I would definitely make this in GIMP. This guy looks really cute right here. I like this guy. Okay, so I'm going to go to View Image, right-click, Save Image As. This is going into 2017, period 1. I need to create a folder in here. This next folder is going to be called Zvaders 1.1.7. And I'm going to put in the word Sprite Smash in here because I want to give myself know, let myself know. Okay, I'm going to put this guy in there. By the way, I can go back into here. Okay, File Explorer. I can go into my documents, into 2017-18, period 1, GIMP. I now can go get my sprites, copy these. Let's cut these out of here and put them into Zvaders. I want these all in the same place. Paste them in here. I'm going to right-click. I'm going to open this guy with GIMP, and I'm going to do a little GIMP work on this guy. You remember that? Until you guys get these images made on Monday. Are you with me? Okay. So I open this guy in GIMP. There's my guy in GIMP. Okay. This will be on the video if you guys ever have to watch it. I'm going to crop this guy down. I love my crop tool. Double click, that guy's cropped. I'm going to go to Windows, Dockable Dialogues, Layers. Okay. I'm going to right click, add the alpha channel, and now I'm going to lasso the parts of the French fries that I want. Okay, this is part of your class where you have to learn how to GIMP. So, and actually one of these French fries is going to become something that I'm shooting. It's going to become my laser. And I'll show you how to do that here in 1 second. Hang on. Do you guys see how GIMP enables you to make everything you want to make inside of a mobile app? And we are getting very happy today with this smiley face here. I'm going to go select invert, and I'm going to hit delete. What's going on back there? What are you doing? Okay. What are you doing? Okay. File import. Braden, can you show? You don't need to. You have mine now. You don't need to go back to your old app. You have mine. No, you don't. You have mine. And mine has everything you need. So you're done. Just move on. Okay. So I'm going to go ahead and cut this French fry down a little bit. Okay, that guy's done. Are you with me? I'm going to go File, Export As. This guy's going to be called Fire Fries. Can it be a JPEG? Nope, it has to be a .png. Hit enter. Save color values, make sure it's off. Save defaults, export. Okay, now let's go get a French fry, and let's make a French fry one of our lasers. Are you ready? So, okay, if I want, I can go get my lasso again. Let's say I want this guy right here in the middle. I like this guy right here in the middle. I go back, and I say select invert. I hit delete, and there's my French fry. Okay, now watch this. I can go right click, edit, copy, right click, edit, paste. Okay, that didn't work. Let me try to select this guy again. So right click, edit, copy, right click, edit, paste. Okay, there's my guy. Okay, now watch this. I'm going to rotate him so I get an entire French fry. Are you with me? Okay, so I'm going to rotate this guy because I want to show you how to do the rotate tool. Here's rotate. You go right here, and I'm going to say I want to rotate this guy 180 degrees. Rotate. Maybe I went too quick. Rotate this guy 180 degrees. Okay. It's going the wrong way. So I rotate this guy. I hit rotate. And there it is. Okay, now there is a move tool. So you go to alignment tool. And now I want to move this guy. Okay, where's my, nope, move tool. I get the wrong one. Okay, move tool. I want to move this guy. Okay, so now I have an entire French fry. That is going to become my laser. Does everybody see how I did that? He has two faces. He's a Twinkie twin. Yeah. You just select what you want to copy and paste. Right click, edit, copy, paste. Okay, so now I'm going to trim this guy down with my crop tool. Okay, boom, that guy's done. Okay, file, export as. Um, this is going to be called my laser fry. How do you spell fry? F-R-Y? F-R-Y is fry, right? Fire laserfry.png. Okay. Jada, are you laughing at me? Fries plural is F-R-I-E-S, right? F-R-I-E-S. Fry singular is F-R-Y. Okay. Okay, so here's my fry. All right, so you guys got it. Are you guys with me on this? So here we go. Let's go to the program, see how it looks. Yeah. I'd have to see what's going on there. I can't. I'm sorry, I can't look at it right now. Uh, let's go to Zvaders. I'm going to put in my fry. Hit OK. There's my fry. That fry's looking good. Okay. Fry's looking good. I'm going to make him 48 by 48, maybe a little bit bigger. How about 64 by 64? 64. Nate, can you help him out with that? Okay. All right, the next thing I need is you need an image sprite laser. Okay. So I'm going to put in, by the way, does everybody realize that a laser is nothing more than another image sprite? Just like Mario moved, your laser moves. It just moves at a different rate. Are you guys with me on that? People think like lasers are this big, huge concept of ammunition and fire. It's all it is an image sprite. Mario moves, lasers move, they're the same thing. So you're going to rename this guy IMG SPR laser. It's my fry laser. I'm going to go to my image, upload, choose a file, and I'm going to put in my laser fry. I'm going to see how it looks. Bam! It's looking a little big right now. Okay. Let's get him down to size a little bit. Okay. So I'm going to make this guy like 36 by 36. There we go. 36 by 36. And there's my French fry that's going to get shot out of my box. Okay, how does that look? Looks pretty good, right? I want to put these guys up here. Put these guys up here. I think these guys should be 36 by 36. And the Y is going to be at 0. And this Y is going to be at 0. Okay? There's those guys there. Okay, I'm having a problem seeing, so I'm going to go to my background screen. I'm going to go to my Z playing field. Background is black. There we go. There's my French fries. All right, do we need our arrow keys? Do we need arrows? We're using gyroscope. So we don't need arrows, right? We can delete all these. Yeah, why don't I just delete the button panel? There you go. Button panel gone. There you go. Do we want play and reset? Okay, so we're good on play and reset. Yes. What? Oh, we need a crosshair. Yeah, thank you. We need a crosshair. So, by the way, that's going to have to be an image sprite. So we need another image sprite in here. Rename img spr crosshair. Crosshair. Okay. Let's go out to online. Let's go to Google. Let's find a crosshair image. Ooh, that's cool. Which one do we like? Red? Red one? Oh, that's cool too. Which one of these do you like? That's cool too. I like that one. This one? Okay, so once again, go to View Image. Right click, Save Image As. Put it in as a JPEG. Okay, go back to your file folder. Do you guys remember how to open it in GIMP? What is this? What's the properties on this? That is a JPEG. Why can I not see it? Open with GIMP. Okay. Let's see if this guy opens in GIMP. Failed to open in GIMP. Right click, Save Image As. I don't know why that's not saving correctly. So that's probably why. It's saying it's a JPEG file, but it's not really a JPEG file. So you got to find another one. That has happened before. Okay. Replace it. Let's see if it goes in as a JPEG. Yep, that one's not working, so guess what? Let's go find another one. Are you with me? So I'm going to go to this guy. There you go. Right click. That's probably even, this looks like it has PNG already. So save image as, yes. Sniper, PNG, save. There you go. Okay, let's go back to MIT. Let's go right here to my crosshair. Let's upload, choose a file. There it is, upload. Bam, there it is. That's a little big. Little big, what do you think? Just a little big. Okay, let's go up here, 36 by 36. There we go, looking nice, looking nice, looking nice. All right, I like it, I like it, I like it. Okay. Do we need clock animate? Yes. Do we need clock game time? No, but we will need a clock for the laser. Okay, so we're going to change this to be clock laser. Okay, so we want to run, when we hit fire, we want to run a clock that, well, yeah, we'll have to talk about this. We could run it with a clock. We might, it's an image sprite. They have like built-in clocks, so we don't really have to do that, but all right. So what I'd like to do is find out how long it takes from the French fry to get from here to the top of the screen. Are you with me? And we can time that from here to the top of the screen. And when it hits the top of the screen, you turn time off. So basically, when you're saying, when this French fry gets to 0, are you with me? Remember, the screen is an upside down coordinate plane. 0, 0 is the top left. So when this starts here and go, when this hits 0, that clock needs to turn off. That needs to disappear. If it hits an object, it needs to turn off and disappear. Are you with me? So we'll have collision, 2 collisions. Either you collide with the Zamburger and you hit it and you get points, right? Or you collide with the top of the screen, you disappear, you missed. Okay? You know what's kind of cool here is we did this in one game, is we registered how many misses they had. Do you remember doing that game last year? We did hits and misses. It's kind of cool that you get to see how many times you hit and how many times you missed. And at the end, you could like find out your shooting percentage. Are you with me? It adds just one more element in the game that actually is kind of cool. You would think like, remember how we did this last year? We just, for some kicks and giggles, we added misses. And they're like, wow, this is pretty cool. All the different stuff that comes in with just adding a miss. So I'm going to go back to my layouts. I'm going to go grab a label. And I'm going to put a label in this box. Okay. And I'm going to call it LBL miss. LBL miss. And miss can go I think I'm going to make a miss yellow. Okay, by the way, what is this? This is 18 font. So this guy needs to go 18 font. Font bold. Down here it's going to say miss, colon, space 0. And I'm going to make it text yellow in honor of the French fries, or orange. Okay, my hits, it's kind of gory, but I'm going to go red. Okay, you with me on that? To me, reds are always like, okay. Lives, let's go lives are, I'm seeing like blue. I'm seeing like red, orange, and blue in here. Are you guys with me on that? So I'm going to go blue with the lives. I'm going to go blue with the lives. And now these background screens, HA Lives is going to go background none. HA Scoreboard, background color none. Okay, and that's kind of what I'm looking at. 5 minutes left. All right. Oh, we need an accelerometer in here. Is that correct? So let's go down to sensors. We need an accelerometer to tilt. Okay. Let's put in some sounds in here. I want to do a sound. I want to do a sound when I hit the Zamburger, and I want to put in another sound when I miss the Zamburger. Are you guys with me on that? So let's go to media, put in a sound. By the way, while we're here, let's put in a player so we can play a song during this. I'll show you guys how to play a song. So let's go down here to sound, and we're going to do a sound for miss. Player. Game song. Player, the game song. We have a notifier in there. I think we're cool with the notifier. We could do an end game with notifier. Text to speech is cool. Sound hit. Are we needing anything else in there? Can anybody think of anything? How about, should we do high score? No? Don't worry about high score. If we wanted to do high score, what you could do is put in a tiny database. You go into storage and you put in a tiny, this web database, you could store scores on the web and show people what their scores on a website. If you wanted to do a tiny web database, okay, you could put a tiny web database in here and you could store in your high scores. Every score that's played, you could store it in a, it's like an Excel document where you just register all their scores. All right. Yeah, it's cool. Yeah, it's awesome. Okay. I think we're going to have to make a different French fry here because these guys are done with pixels. This guy is done with a real image. That's one thing you learn in video games. It doesn't matter if you go real. You either got to go real and real, or you got to go animated and animated. Okay? I know. We need to make this guy in GIMP. Are you with me? That's a pretty cool idea. Let's do it. You know why we can do it? Because we can. We can do whatever we want. I want you guys to make French fries. Will someone make French fries on Monday? Okay. Monday's assignment: make the French fries in GIMP, because we can't use this picture. We can use this crosshair though. I don't see why we can't use that. That looks pretty nice. Make the French fries. Make the laser French fries in GIMP. And then I want you to try to, and Tatum and Braden they can help you with this. Get these guys to start moving randomly around the screen. Okay? I want you to think about, how do we move those guys? Turn the clock on. When the clock starts ticking, you randomly move around the screen. If you're not sure how to do it, go back to last year's Sprite Smash. And there's simple code in there on how to do it. Will? No. We don't need a fire button. Why do we not need a fire button? Yeah. Right, your finger's tapping the screen. Remember, when you tap, you're going to move the crosshair where you want it. And then when you tap, you put the crosshair where you want it. When you lift up, it fires. Are you with me? So tap, you get the crosshair where you want it. Lift up, it's going to fire. That's how I'm understanding the game. If not, how do you move the crosshair where you want it? What? The only other thing we could do is we could tilt the crosshair and then fire with a button, but then your French fry guy wouldn't be moving. Are you with me? If you got too many things moving, you don't have enough fingers and thumbs to play the game, because you only have 2 thumbs. Okay? Have a great weekend. I'm not here on Monday, so your goal for Monday is try to get the sprites to move and make French fries. Have a great weekend. Have a great weekend. Keep calm, man. Coach.